Ẹ káalẹ́.
Ẹ káalẹ́ sà, ẹ káalẹ́ máa o.
Ẹ káalẹ́. Àlàáfíà ni.
Àlàáfíà ni o. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò ChartsEmpire Trading Academy.
Ẹ sà, mo pẹ́ kó ń bíṣẹ́ ohun tí mo wà mo ń drive lọ nínú mọ́tò mo àbọ̀ máa contribute jẹ́
Okay, all right sir, all right.
Kò fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ náà sí.
All right. Okay. So èní yìí ló máa jẹ́ ending fún revision wa, so ká máa gbáradì fún ìdánwò wa ní ọjọ́ Wednesday. Tá bá ní question tá ti fẹ́ béèrè bóyá lórí àwọn nǹkan tá ti kọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́lẹ̀ sápá ibì kan náà. So tá àkókò ìbéèrè bá ti tó, a máa lè béèrè. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. So ibi tí a wà lọ́wọ́ òun ni okay, last class a ṣe nípa pips tó jẹ́ JPY currency. So mo dẹ̀ sọ fún wa pé bí a ṣe ń calculate fún JPY currency ó yàtọ̀ sí àwọn forex currency yòókù. So lénìí a máa ṣe revision lórí àwọn forex currency èyí tó kù tó yẹ pé bóyá wọn ò ní JPY nínú. Àwọn forex currency tó kù tí báyìí pé wọn ti ní JPY nínú yẹn, àwọn yẹn bá ṣe máa ń calculate wọn ìkọ̀kan náà ni. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kàn mú bí currency báàgì yìí kí n dárúkọ card CHF yìí. So ká mú card CHF, jẹ́ kí n mú chart mi. So now card CHF, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ current exchange rate tí a fi máa exchange tó jẹ́ fún Canadian dollar àti Swiss franc. So fún $1 a ní di 0.63343 of Switzerland franc lórí kí a ní $1. So tá bá ní $1 a fẹ́ change ẹ̀ sí Swiss franc, ó túmọ̀ sí pé a máa ní 0.633 Swiss franc. Okay, ìyẹn ni fún exchange rate. It's not constant, so ó máa move as far as transaction is going on. Àwọn èèyàn ń travel, àwọn èèyàn ń ṣe business, so kò lè ní just one static price. All right, ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. Now we have 0.63342. So fún normal currency báyìí, after the decimal point, a máa ní 5 digits. A máa ní 5 numbers after the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ẹ má gbàgbé ìgbà tá a ṣe JPY a ní 3, which the last one happens to be the pipette. So here as well, ta ní 5. The last number, the last digit, last figure, whatsoever tá a fẹ́ pè, the last numerical value tó wà ń bẹ̀ tó jẹ́ the 5th one, òun ni pipette tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ seconds. And I told us that 10 pipettes make 1 pip. Tẹ́lẹ̀ bá ti lè pé tó ti dé 9 tó fẹ́ round up 10, 4 yìí máa change, ó máa di 5. Ṣóyè wá báyẹn. So last number tó jẹ́ the 5th one here is the pipette. Ibi tí pip wá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ is from the 4th number after the decimal point. The 4th number after the decimal point. This is decimal point. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. So 4, the fourth number, ibẹ̀ ni pipet wa tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ó ní àwọn kíta máa ń pè ní 100, tens and units. So tó bá ti lè jẹ́ unit, I mean one digit from 1 to 9, bóyá pips movement ẹ̀ ó ń jẹ́ bí 5 pips, 6 pips, 9 pips, that is, which is just one digit number. A máa fi sí abẹ́ 4, which is pé ibẹ̀ ni pip wa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, kò kí ń ṣe abẹ́ 2. Ignore the last number, which is the pipet. So bí bàlá fẹ́ fi sí tó bá yẹ kó bí i 4 pips náà ni, let's say bóyá ló fi increase. Tó bá increase, it's still the same thing, we are plusing. Tó bá decrease, we are subtracting. Same thing làwọn eléyìí. Tó bá ń lọ sókè, add. Tó bá ń wá sísàlẹ̀, minus. So whichsoever one tó bá jẹ́, a dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe calculation wa. A ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà nìyẹn o. So a dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe calculation wa. Let's say minus first. We will have 2. 4 minus 4, we have 0. We have 3. We have 3. We have 6.0. So the current exchange rate between Canadian dollar and Swiss franc, tí ó bá bọ́ sí 0.63302, it means that ó ti depreciate in value, ó ti lọlẹ̀ in value by 4 pips. By 4 pips. So tó bá ti jẹ́ bí 1 digit increment or 1 digit decrease, a máa fi sí abẹ́ 4th number, 4th digit after the decimal point. So now, what if is in 2 digits? Tó jẹ́ 10th. If it's in 2 digits, we are not moving to our right. We are not moving to our right. We are moving to our left. Our left. So tó bá ti dé 2 digits, ó means pé a fẹ́ consider the next number tó tẹ̀lé pip wa by our left, which is this 3. Not this 2. This 3. La fẹ́ lò tó bá ti jẹ́ 2 digits figure. That is from 10 to 99. So now let's say this is like 64. This is 2 digits number. So ó máa wà ní abẹ́ pipet. A máa kọ́kọ́ kọ 4 sábẹ́ pipet, sábẹ́ pip. And then the next number, see number tó tẹ̀lé pip wa by the left. We are moving left. Ó dàbí ìgbà fún àwa bí àwa tá jẹ́ bí Muslim. Ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó bá ń kọ nǹkan in Arabic, ó máa ń kọ from right to left. Àbí, I think I'm right, from right to left. So bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la ṣe fẹ́ máa calculate pips wa tí value ẹ̀ bá ti increase. Bóyá ó ti increase in 2 digits, ó ti increase in 3 digits, a fẹ́ máa move sí left. So now we have 64. If it increased by 64 pips, we add. If it decreased by 64 pips, we minus. And also, ẹ jẹ́ kí n pa 6 yìí rẹ́. If we are to write this 4 in full, because a ṣe máa ṣe interpretation yẹn pẹ̀lú 2s yẹn náà, just like bá ṣe ṣe ní last class. So mo fẹ́ ká get there right. Tá bá fẹ́ interpret 4 pips nínú 2s, kò ní kọ ordinary 4 fún wa. Ó máa kọ in full. Tó bá dẹ̀ kọ in full, a máa ní 0. So every other number tó wà by our left, a máa kọ 0 sí abẹ́. 0, 0.0. So this is 4 pips. Tá bá wò, a máa rí pé the 4th number, òun náà ni pip wa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyẹn. 1 2 3 4 and we have 4 here. So nǹkan tá a kọ yìí tó jẹ́ 0.0004 yìí ó means pé a ti kọ 4 pips. Tá a bá kọ 4 báyìí a really represent it in pips. So I will represent them in pips bó ṣe máa rí lélẹ̀ 0.0004. So tá a bá kọ ordinary 4 is just a way tó yẹ pé a kàn fẹ́ sáré fi simplify calculation wa kó lè sáré fast. Bí mi jẹ̀bẹ́ máa kọ zero mo ti mọ̀ pé nọ́mbà tó bá wà níbí náà ni màá kọ padà sísàlẹ̀. Ṣó yé wa báyẹn? So now let's say in 2-digit number 64. 64 this way now, we will have our 2. We have 4 plus 4, we have 8. Now we are calculating pé ó ń lọ sókè. We have 8. 6 plus 3, we have 9. And here we have 3, we have 6, we still have our points, and we have 0. So this means that if this current exchange rate goes up to 0.63982, ó means pé ó increase by 64 pips. Ó increase by 64 pips. That is 2-digit number. Let's move to 3-digit number, which is 100. So that is ranging from 100 to 999. So now let's say we have 6 years. Well, let's say 664. Now 600 and okay, sorry, before I write this, let me also write this 64 in full for us. This 64 in full, òun náà máa jẹ́ 0. Okay, sorry, before the point 0.0. Ẹ rí pé 4 number ló wà níbí, 4 numbers, and this is the 2 tá fẹ́ pè in pips, which is 64 pips. So tó wáyé pé bẹ́ẹ̀ a ní 5 níbí báyìí, a ní jẹ́ kí 5 yìí confuse wa ká má lọ máa wò pé 645. No, once tó bá ti pé 5, a fẹ́ eliminate this last one tó jẹ́ 5, and we want to consider whatsoever number we now have. Yíta dẹ̀ ipa níbí báyìí is 64. So this is 64 pips written in full. Alright? So now to 3-digit number, we have 6. This is 664. To write this in full, we have 0. And put it 4 by 0.0. So this is 664 written in full. So now let's say this lole decrease by 664 pips. So the new exchange rate we are going to have, tí eléyìí bá decrease by 664 pips, we will have 2. 4 minus 4, we have 0. This will be 13. 13 minus 6 will be what? So fún yín pé tútọ̀ yín ò mọ̀ mass.
7.
Will be 7.
7.
Tútọ̀ yín ò mọ̀ mass.
6.
That is 7. So here we can see eléyìí ti di 2, right?
2.
So we also go from here, we have 12. Mo ṣe mọ̀ wí eléyìí mọ̀ pé 6 la wà ní. 12 minus 6, that is 6. So here we have 5, right? So 5 minus 0, we still have 5. And we still have our 0. So this means that if the current exchange rates tó bá lọlẹ̀ by 664 pips, the new exchange rate is going to be 0.56702. You can also choose to eliminate this last one, which is the pipette, and say we will have 0.5670 as the new exchange rate tó bá jẹ́ 664 pips, which is 3-digit number. Alright, let's move. Now, if we have 4-digit number, which is thousands of pips, bóyá tá bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní trade, maybe some of us we are going to be a swing trader, or some of us we are going to be a position trader, tó jẹ́ pé 20 pips 50 pips kò jẹ́ kankan fún wa. We are targeting thousands of pips into the future. Tẹ́pá máa forecast pé no, this is where it is going on the long run. A máa lè project 1,000 of pips. So now thousands of pips, tá bá fi 1 síbí báyìí sí now, this is 1,664 pips. Tá bá fẹ́ kọ in full, just put 0. Reason tá fi 0 síbí is because ibi báyìí náà jẹ́ 0 ni o. Tó bá jẹ́ pé 1 ló wà ńbẹ̀, a máa kọ 1 náà síbí ni o. Torí pé lè jẹ́ 0, òun náà la ṣe kọ 0 náà síbí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé 2 wà ńbí, a máa kọ 2 yẹn náà, a máa gbé 2 yẹn náà síbí báyìí ni. Ṣó yé wa báyẹn? No, sorry. Tó bá jẹ́ pé 1 wà ńbí, sorry, mistake. 0 náà ló máa wà ńbẹ̀. Kí má lọ get yín confused. 0 náà ló máa wà ńbẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé 2 wà ńbí, 0 náà ló máa wà ńbí. Because tá bá ti padà calculate ẹ̀, figure yẹn máa padà wá sí sàlẹ̀ ńbí. Ṣó yé wa báyẹn? So now let's say 1,000 pips to the upside. 1,000 pips to the upside, it means we want to add, because when we say to the upside, it means that a fẹ́ lọ sókè. Tí bá sọ pé to the downside, it means that pé a fẹ́ lọ sí sàlẹ̀. Because these are some terms that pa ṣe máa gbọ́ lẹ́nu wa tá bá ti ń continue. So now to the upside, we will have, let's put our pipettes. 4 plus 4, we have 8. 6 plus 3, we have 9. 6 plus 3, 2, we have 9. 6 plus 1, we have 7. And here, because it's 0, we still have 0. So I could be 1, but we still have that 1 here. So this is what